Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I will be talking about chapter 5, which is plant-water relations. Okay, first of all, what is the role of water in plants? Water is essential to plants. Just like any other living being in this world, plants need water to survive. For the next one, it is the most component in plant protoplasm. In the plant protoplasm, it contains about 70 to 90% of water. Okay, next, it is a substrate for plant metabolism. For example, transpiration, respiration, and photosynthesis. They all need water to do all these processes. Okay, next, it is a solvent for plant absorption and transportation. First of all, it is a solvent for plant absorption because water is known to be a universal solvent, which it can dissolve about almost anything in this world if we compare to any other solvents there is. Okay, next, it keeps plants in shape. It keeps the plant shape by saving its stability of the cells, and it also balances plant temperature. It balances the plant temperature just like humans. For example, we sweat to cool our body, so plants in the process, which is transpiration, which is essentially like sweat, it can regulate the temperature from very hot to cool down, that is. Okay, what are the plant and water relations? Plants are known to regulate and hydrate their cells by collection of water from soils, water transport in plants, water loss by evaporation from leaves, the flow of water through plants and soil. Okay, the last one I accidentally added. Okay, the importance of water. Water is essentially a medium for biochemical reactions in cells and transportation from one region to another. It dissolves substances, just like I have explained earlier. Water is a universal solvent which can dissolve many things if we compare to any other solvents, that is. And it is also a buffer against hydrogen ion changes, which is it can regulate its pH level. If it goes away from its range of pH, of its balanced pH, it can lead to the plant's death. Okay. For the next one, what is the importance of osmoregulation? First of all, it maintains the cell's integrity. It controls the stomata opening and closing, and the other one is essential for plant body growth, because the plants need to grow and get more sunlight for them to do the transpiration and photosynthesis very effectively. Okay, now we will talk about water transport through transpirational pool. Okay, for the first one, my point is water from plants evaporate from the leaves. Okay, it is essentially transpiration. Transpiration happens because of the stomata opening to make gaseous exchange, but in when it is doing the gaseous exchange, water will start to evaporate from it during the day. Okay, and because of the water loss, it creates a creation of negative pressure, and it is essentially pulling water from the roots, which the roots get from the soil that is damp enough, so the water is absorbed into the roots and then throughout the whole body, because it is essentially being pulled out because of the negative pressure. Okay, next is cohesion and adhesion. Cohesion is something that is like water does not separate with each other very easily. For example, a droplet of water doesn't just spread out and it maintains its form until it touches the ground. Okay, for adhesion, it is essentially how water sticks to other surfaces, but in this case it is a xylem. It sticks to the xylem and then it just moves up with the cohesion and adhesion. Okay, next is capillary action and surface tension. Capillary action is helped by the water adhesion, which it sticks to the xylem, making it pulled up to the plant. Okay, that is all from me. Thank you, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.